Hey guys, today we'll take a look at the most premium keyboard Durgod makes, the K520 Nebula. I really like their more affordable K320, another 10 keyless keyboard with an amazing typing experience and build quality. So let's see if this K520 is actually worth the higher price. Let's go! It comes in a nice box matching Durgod's branding. In it you get the keyboard protected by a plastic dust cover, the USB cable is included too but it's not removable, and you get a keycap puller. If we look at the keyboard itself, it has a nice aluminum alloy top plate, while the rest of the keyboard is plastic. The bottom and top are rounded, and there's an LED strip all around the body. At the back you get a permanently fixed USB cable. While I would prefer a removable USB-C cable, this one is thick and braided, so it's not too bad either. Finally, under the keyboard you get two pairs of flip-out feet for a total of 3 angle adjustments. Overall, the quality is great. My only criticism would be that the plastic under the keyboard doesn't seem as nice as the one they used on the K320. This keyboard has a fully standard 10 keyless layout, so replacing keycaps won't be an issue. Speaking of the keycaps themselves, these are not the best around. They're ABS and laser etched, so they will shine over time and the legends might wear out too. The overall feel isn't as great as a nice PVD keycap set, and they feature an OEM profile, so pretty much standard otherwise. I would probably replace these with a decent set of PVD keycaps personally, and I wish this board came with the same amazing double shot keycaps that came with the K320. Switches on this keyboard are from Cherry. Mine came with browns, but it also comes with blacks, blues, silent reds, and silent silvers. They are what you would expect from Cherry, although some keycaps were easier to remove than others, but I would blame the keycaps and not the switches. As for the stabilizers, these are pretty good, no rattles or sticky keys. However, the ones on the K320 were a bit better, with slightly less wobble. Still, I'll leave you to a sound test for you to get a better idea. One of the main features for this keyboard is the LEDs. Apart from the LEDs found in every switch, there's also a strip that covers the sides and the bottom of the keyboard. It looks really good and colors are super vibrant, so if you like RGB, you'll be served. You have a bit of control on board with the function button and the insert, home, delete section, and both the strip and the keycap slide can be controlled independently, so that's cool. But for more control, you'll have to use the Durgod Zeus engine software. It goes quite in depth, but the only downside I'd say is that you can't set a static color for the light edge, only animations are available. You can also have it synchronized with the main animations on the keycaps. Then you can also change key bindings using the software. You can set any key to a variety of other functions, like another key, a multimedia key, a macro, an action, or even a line of text. Possibilities are endless. So would I recommend this keyboard? Overall, it's really great. The main unique aspects with this board are the edge lighting, the metal top plate, and the great typing experience. However, if we compare it against the K320, you get lower quality keycaps, stabilizers are not as great, the USB cable is not removable, and while the top plate is metal, the rest of the body is plastic and seems a bit lower quality than the K320. Considering all those points and that the K320 sells for a lower price, unless you really want the side LEDs, I would recommend the K320 over this one. Not that it's a bad option, and it's definitely a great keyboard I think, the K320 is just that good. So that wraps it up for today. I really like trying out this keyboard by Durgod. It kind of reminds me of the Drevo Blade Master that I reviewed a while ago. I love Durgod's products, and I can't wait until they release a real 60% keyboard. The Hades 68 was great, but I'd like to see an even smaller keyboard from them. So as always, I'll have an affiliate link down below for you to check out this keyboard if you want to, and help the channel at the same time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like if you did, and if you didn't, just let me know why in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't already, as I'll see you in the next video.